Look at my messy spice drawer. Does yours look the same? Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. When we remodeled our kitchen, I was so excited to get a spice drawer. Now, 1 year later, this is how it looks, and it is time to clean it up and to organize it. I've got the supplies laid out on the table here, and you can see that we really don't need that many things. We're going to be using the Smart Label. Now this is the writable vinyl from Cricut. I'm using the black and the opaque gel pens from Cricut as well. And then I bought a big case of, I think it was 36 of these empty blank glass spice containers. Then I've got some of my spices from my drawer that we're going to be putting into our containers, and then of course we're going to be using our Cricut machine. The first thing I did was go through my spice drawer and write down all of the spices that we use regularly. Then I went into a Cricut Design Space and I created labels for each spice. And I have made these labels available to you in Cricut Design Space. So if you'd like to use the same labels as me, you can go ahead and use these, and these are editable. So you can make them match your spices in your spice drawer or cupboard. I'm going to bring in my Cricut. I'm going to load my white opaque gel pen and load my mat. Here are our finished labels. Don't they look awesome? I have to hold them down because they want to curl up. I'm going to start by removing this outer piece that we don't need. Then I'm going to take one of my empty jars and we'll do the onion powder. And my blank spice jars came with this handy little funnel. So I'm going to take off the lid, put that funnel inside. And then I can pour all of my onion powder right into that jar. Put the lid back on. Now before I put on the label, I'm going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. And this will remove any fingerprints or dust or debris or anything that's on that glass bottle, so the label will stick really well to it. And then we're just going to let that dry. And then we're going to take our onion powder, just up here. Now with vertical text, you want the text to start at the bottom and go up. So we're going to find where we want our label. And I'm just going to center it there on my bottle. Now when we do the next container, I will just lay it next, and let's do the Italian seasoning, and then I'm going to try and line it up with that other label so they are all the same in my drawer. There's my Italian seasoning. And now I'm just going to fill up all of my bottles. Now I am back to loving my spice drawer. If you want more fun at craft tutorials, make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting!